weak ass push boy. That's fuck. YouTube, what's the scene? It's your boy Chef back with another POV, man. You already see what we got going on, man. So right now, I'm headed to some, I guess like car meet shit, but it's kind of like some car meet wash and bikinis. I don't know what's going on for real. I just know it's active over there right now. Mad cars and shit going on over there. So we about to go over there and see what's going on right now. So that's where I'm currently headed to. A few of my friends and shit is over there. So that's what we doing right now, fellas. Yo, and if you don't know, I just dropped a banger a few days ago. Like, comment, subscribe on that, man. Y'all know how this go. We rode to fucking 1,000 subscribers, man. The road start now, man. Let's lock in. We good, man. But yeah, so I'm gonna pick up the camera when I'm close over there. She want fucking 3.5. Do your homework on manual drivers being able to multitask and shit. You know what I'm saying? We able to shift gears, eat while we drive, all kind of shit, man. Manual drivers are really some talented niggas, man. Shout out to all the manual drivers out there, man. 2025, bro, we keeping manuals alive. Save the manuals, man. This nigga in this Lexus is flying down that shit, boy. Like he in some rush. I really like the color of that car, man. Yo, that car overall look good. Not gonna lie to nobody. That car dead look good. But I ain't no Lexus, nigga. Yeah, man, we almost there right now. She want fucking 3.5. I don't know why that fucking song is stuck in my head, bro. Fucking 3.5. Man, I hope this wind not fucking up the audio, man. Fuck! Nah, let me stop. Oh, let's see if we make this turn. Nigga, what? We gonna drift this turn, my boys. Psych, nah, y'all whooping. Shit, I ain't gonna lie though. We dead could've took that turn crazy. But yeah, man, we here. We not too far. I think we about like a minute away. This shit should be around this corner, I ain't gonna lie. From what I'm seeing. This shit should really be around this corner and shit. What the fuck? This nigga horsing, son. We fake should have been made this like. Oh, nah. You died. Haha. Nah, boy. What? Yeah, fuck out of here, nigga. Nah, boy. You lying, boy. What I tell ya in my last video? Yeah, that's a dub, nigga. That's a dub, nigga. That's a dub. Nigga, what? Nigga, what? About 4, 5, 6 cops in that shit, boy. Hell nah. Yeah, nah. I already told y'all, man. When police is around, don't stick around to find out why. That is rule number 1, man. Don't stick around to find out why. Nah, boy. What? Hell no. Shit. What? That's crazy. They probably shut that shit down. OG and the Infinity probably going over there to get a little wash too. Then he gonna find out they shut that shit down? Hell nah. Police on the scene? Hell nah. Hell nah. Who the fuck got time for that? Fuck that. Chef out, nigga. You bugging. And I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, nah, that would have been bad. Cause I already got the fakes on it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hell nah. What? Woo! It would have been a lit day, my G. Yo, shout out to them, man. Hopefully them boys is good, man. But we about to find something else to do. Might fuck around, throw my spacers on right now or some shit. I'm bored. Might hit the shop, get a wash, whatever, man. It's still early, bro. It's summertime. It's only 7:49. The sun's still up. So we about to see what we about to get into, man. I'll pick up the camera. Yo, you ready, young buck? Yo, go ahead, my boy. Nigga about to get hella copyrighted. Damn, y'all hear the GS busting on? Shit, got everything falling and shit. Shit, it's a beautiful day out here in the South, man. Beautiful day out here in the South. So me and little bro said, yo, we gonna pick up the cameras, make a little content for y'all boys, man. Sheesh. Like I said, we on the consistent shit. They not doing what we doing. They not doing what we doing, Jug. Oh shit. What the fuck is going on here? Nigga. I'm going. Woo! Downshift. Oh my god. Yo, the downshift's gonna sound crazy when we fucking... Okay. Woo! I hope that brother got some brakes. I hope that brother got some brakes. Downshift. A little roll back in the manual car. Just to show them it's manual, you know what I mean? Fuck wrong with them. Having a manual car in 2025, it's a flex. I'm telling you it is. Oh God, it is. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, his car smells crazy. Nah. Yo, this shit got me dead, boy. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Intakes is intaking, stock intake. Oh fuck. No gas. Fuck. Nah, let me stop. Yeah, cause he not driving. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the hell? Niggas just get on this shit and just like don't drive. I never could understand. He's bugging. Nah, where we going? Nah, let's slow down a bit. I got the plates on today. Well, I always got my plates on. But camera here. Can't let that shit get me now. Yeah, I'm making this light. I don't know what the fuck they talking about. They talking some other shit. Oh, what the fuck is that, boy? Oh my god. Okay, okay. We let her figure it out. And then this nigga wants to go. Nah, I'm going. You bugging. Sorry, man. Bro, this nigga right here just did some nut shit, boy. Nigga just drove on the whole sidewalk, bro. I was not expecting him to do no shit like that. Nigga, what? What kind of nut shit was that? Wow. I hope he not out here doing that funny shit every day. Yeah. Okay. I wonder where he going. Let me get out the way. Yo, what the fuck? Nigga, everybody wanna come in this Dunkin, boy? Jesus Christ. Nah, she gotta wait, mud. I need to get mons. Yeah, buddy. I need to park next to the GS. Mr. Fast Guy. Yo, bro. I was not expecting you to do no nut shit like that.
What did I do?
Nigga, you done drove on the whole sidewalk. What are you talking about? What I do?
Nigga, that's what you always do.
Hell no. Nigga, what's wrong with these two entrances right here?
Niggas be moving too slow with them. You obviously just seen it. Niggas be moving too slow.
That shit, but this one over here solid. Nigga, you done drove on the whole sidewalk where niggas walk on. That was fake nutty. And that shit's still busted. They ain't never gonna fix that shit.
Oh, that's where the fucking nigga ran into that shit?
Bro, Jared, yes, bro. You never knew that? I told you. Yeah, bro, right here, bro. She drove clean into that shit. Fake. Oh, you told me to take this way? In this corner, like, we got it. Hell no, they're here to help. Nah, this should swing out crazy. Traffic on the way back though. Oh yeah, get fucked down. Nah, it's crazy.
Not Buster right here.
Hell yeah.
Tries to go to Atlantic.
Hell no, Buster right here. What you mean?
No, go straight.
Why? I guess so, bro. Listen to your dad, bro. Dang, what we hearing just now? That's the only way we can go, dickhead.
I don't wanna move this is temporary. Stay around for my bros, this is necessary. Tend to get in my feelings, I'm thinking about killing. I'm missing the book, cause he legendary. Never ran from a nigga, I'm far from scared. The day that I die, I'm killer bitch. Tell my mama don't crash no more of me. Hurting my phone, cause I know that he
Fuck, we fuck it up.